Hello there, I'm Michelle Marshall with Kaplan Early Learning Company. Let's unpack the Picoo. First, you have your carrying case, your USB charging hub, your blank smart sleeves, and 3 pre-made smart sleeve games. Now let's open up the Picoo case. Here you have your Picoo controller with a wrist strap. The bottom is how you charge it. Here you have your extra wrist straps, the USB connectors, 2 cards, one that tells you how to charge the game and how to start a Picoo game. And this one will tell you about some extra apps you can get on your phone. Here we have the Picoo game manual and your Picoo game cards.